Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I would like to show you how you can create a faceless video for your TikTok or for your YouTube shorts. This is very easy. This is for people who don't want to show their face on a camera or something. So let's start. First, you can go to any browser of your choice, which is maybe Chrome, Mozilla, or Edge. I'll be using Chrome. Go to your address and type feed.io and go and sign up. You can sign through these three options, whether it's Google, Apple, or email. We'll be using Google. Select your Google account. Now after loading, but before it loads, if this is your first time, there are some couple of simple questions they will ask you, probably what you'll be doing with the video you are creating, some of that kind of questions. So don't worry about them, they are so easy to answer. They just want to know what you'll be doing with after creating the video. So let's go ahead and create a new project. Now this is our new project, but first you can just cancel it here. Now here, because we need a video and we need like audio, I would like to show you where you can get no copyright video for free. Now on your browser, go to pixabay.com. Here, this website offers no copyright video for free. As you can see, there are royalty-free images and videos also. So here you can search any video you want. Let's search like beach drone. This will give you a aerial view of a beach using a drone. So let's change this one to video. As you can see, these are all videos but which you can use in anywhere you like for free. Now let's find one video where we can use it, like this one. Now this is a video, so let's just download it. Here you can choose the resolution you want. Now let's select the highest resolution, this one. Let's download it. As you can see, it is downloading and it has finished downloading. So let's go back to our page and upload that file here. As you can see, we have a place you can upload a file. So let's upload it. And this is a file. Let us upload it. As you can see, it is uploading. And there it has finished uploading. So as you know, those short for TikTok, they don't have this size, so we can change this by going to settings, and here you can see we have size. So here you can click the drop down menu and select either YouTube short or TikTok shorts. So let's just maybe for this, let us select YouTube shorts. As you can see, it has been resized to the video of TikTok or shorts for YouTube. Now we would like to add some letters or some quotes for this video. Now for that, go to, let's find for a motivational quotes which we can add here. So go to YouTube again, Google, and search like Steve Harvey quotes about success. This one. Let's find like images are the best one you can look for. Now let's use like this one. It says, if you pray about it, don't worry about it. If you are going to worry about it, don't pray about it. I think that's a good one we can use. So on here, you will go to subtitles. Then here on down here, we have manual transcribe. So select manual transcribe. We are using English. So say add subtitles. Here is where we are going to write our text or motivational quote. So let's go and see how that it says. It says, if you pray about it, don't worry about it. So let's write that here. If you pray about it, don't worry about it. And as you can see, as we finish, it has already wrote here. So now let's go and write the remaining quote here. It says, if you are going to worry about it, don't pray about it. We can add it here. As you can see, we have add new line. So let's add the new line and write this quote again. If you are going, so let's start with small letters. If you are going to worry about it, don't pray. Let's see what's going on. Don't pray about it. Don't pray about it. Now that is very good. So as you can see, the first one is here, the other one is here. So if we play this, let's show you how it will look like. But first, before, let's position this one. As you drag it, it will tell you if it is at the center. As you can see, it has reached the center. So let's play. Let's see how it looks like. As you can see, it's very nice. So what we'll do, because this video is very long, we can resize it or we can split it. So let's do that. You can select the video and go to this. It says split it. So let's split it. As you can see, we have cut it in like a. So you can select it and delete it at your keyboard. And there we have a shorter video. Now the next one, we need a audio or a song. Now also on your Google, go and type TikTok. No copyright music, like that one. But let us add sad or smooth, whatever you want. It's very nice. Let's say sad music. As you can see, we have couple. So let's select like this one. Let's see how it sounds. Now that's the music. Let's pause it. We can use that one. I think that is good to use. So let's copy this link. Still, you can, so that you can download that TikTok audio. Go to TikTok. TikTok MP3. Download that one. Just select that one, the first one. You can choose the first one, and then let us paste our link there and then download. Here you can come down and download the download MP3, that one. As you can see, it is downloading. Now let us go to our site again, and then let's add that audio here. This is let's go to the upload file. This is our audio, so let's select it and open. Yes, it is uploading. Now it has been uploaded. This is the audio. So let's just drag it. You can left click and drag it. Then we have to cut this because, as you can see, it's very long and our video is very short. So as we said, you just select it and come here and split. So it will just split, and we can delete the rest like that. Now if you want to zoom this as you cannot end it like this one. Let us zoom it. This is a zoom one. You can just select here and do like this, or you can just select like this one. Now they are zoomed it. Now let's come so that we can see our video, how it looks like. This is our video. Now let's try to play it so that we can hear how it sounds like. Let's drag here, this one here. Start. Now let's minimize it. Now that is our audio. Now let's try to play it so that we can hear it. Let's play it. As you can see, it's nice. So let's match all the audio, video, and subtitles together. So just drag this one like there. Then come here. You can select this one, split, and this one can split. Now they are matched. And come here and you can delete this one. Now what next we have to do is select this video. No, sorry, this one, this audio, and then because the sound is too much, we can reduce it using this volume icon. So there you can reduce it like this. And also let us fade the video from the audio from the start and the end, so that it will end nicely and it will start nicely. So let's go here. As you can see, we have a fade option here. So you can just leave it like that, and when you start the video, it will start nicely. Like let me show you. Now let's play it. Like that. Now if you want to resize your text, you can just select it, this one, and then you can come here and resize it like that, and then try to center them like this. Now it is centered. So you can see it's centered. Now we have finished our video. Now it's time we can download the video. Now what you have to do is say done. As you can see, we have done here. So just click done, and you can see we have an export here. Export the video. Now here you can see we have a download button here. So download, click here to download. We have an MP4 here. So you can see we have an MP4. So go to MP4. As you can see, it is downloading here. Now that is our video. So go to your download folder. It's our download folder, and see, this is our recent one. So let's try to play it so that we can hear it. Now, as you can see, the video is very nice. Let's play it again. Now, as you can see, that video is very nice. So that is very good. Also, now another thing, you can come and change this. You can come and change your style of your subtitles. So come here and come and see style, and select this one. So you can select this one or this one, whichever you want. These are the style, or these are the style you can use. So if you select this one, as you can see, it has changed. You select this one, any style here you want. Like, let's choose this one or this one. Yes, this is the default one, so you can select this one, and then let's put this one here. Now if we play it, you can see it is underlining. These are all the choices you can use. So that is all you can do about that. And as you can see, we have created a very nice video you can use. And I say thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.